Hey guys, what's going on? Arthur Early here. And the other day I made a post on Facebook about this new opportunity in 2019 that a lot of people are having success with. Their commissions are going off left and right. So what I wanted to do was actually take the time and show you the system, okay? It's called the Fearless Mama, as you can see here. And the thing that really drew my attention to it was I've heard about it before and I've seen people making success. So, when people are making success, it kind of got my attention a little bit more. So I looked into it and I got into it and instantaneously started making commissions, guys. And another thing that drew me to this opportunity was it's 100% commissions. Okay, so it's a $250 opportunity, right? You buy in for the $250, very, very, very affordable, and it's 100% commission. So every customer that you bring in, you're getting $250 commissionable gross, and also it's instant commissions. So you don't have to sit around and wait a week or something like that to get your money. Your money is automatically in your account, so you can go ahead and scale your business, take it to the next level, or you could even use it for your other businesses that you want to get some more traffic. All right, that's the one thing that drew me to this opportunity. The other thing is the training portal. As you can see here, guys, it has absolute phenomenal training. I'm going to show you right now. It's got modules, 7 training modules that you can actually go through, and it'll show you step by step on how to promote the system, and also things to do to take your business to the next level. Not just this business, but any affiliate type MLM marketing business that you might be in. Also, it has extra bonuses here, so you can take a look at the bonuses. It shows you traffic sources that they use to actually, as you can see right here, the traffic sources that people have been having success with. And another thing, it's newbie friendly. What I mean by newbie friendly is somebody who's never actually made commission before online or even been in an online opportunity. They're getting commissions left and right just by setting up the system, and you don't have to do any of the work. You don't have to do any of the selling, the telling. The system does all the work for you guys. And another thing is they have a Facebook group. It's called the Six-Figure Empire Fearless Group. All right, and as you can see, people here, actually, let me move myself out of the way over here. People are getting success here. That's one example here. Another example here just started. It's a brand new opportunity, guys. So you're getting in at the ground level. It's not an oversaturated opportunity where everybody's trying to get in and the saturation's dead. No, you don't have to worry about that. You get in and you start making commissions instantaneously. It's funny. Look, $250 right there, $250 right there. Another commission, another person going in. It's testimony after testimony after testimony after testimony, and that's another reason why I like this opportunity, guys. I posted my personal results that I got after just running one day of traffic, but as you can see here, there's more opportunities there. There's more testimonies here. One of my business partners right here, okay, $500 today, okay. 7 days with this brand new system, he's making $7,400 in 7 days. All right, so that's about $1,000 a day. Also, another one of my business partners here, $750. 3 sales, it's $750. That's the simplicity part that I like about this, guys. So once again, it's the opportunity is called the Fearless Mama. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to actually go ahead and put my my link below this video so that you can go ahead and take a look in this opportunity and see if the opportunity is actually right for you. Also, if you decide to go ahead and join me, there's also a back-end opportunity where you can go ahead and make $1, $2, or $3 or $5,000 commissions off of one sale. And remember, guys, it's 100% commissionable. Very, very important. A lot of opportunities out there right now doing maybe 40% to 60% commissions. And also, this is converting very well. For those of you that don't know what that means, meaning if I put this out there, and if I'm going to say it's converting at around 30 to 35%. So out of every 10 people I tell about this opportunity, 3 of them are buying. That's $750. So do the math, guys. It can add up very, very fast. You could actually supplement your income this way, guys. I hope that you decide to do it. And also, if you decide to join me, once again, like I was telling you, you're going to get access to my private Facebook group where I do coachings and I do trainings once a week. You're also going to get access to my ebook for those of you that are brand new in internet marketing or online marketing. I basically lay the red carpet out for you guys. I show you exactly what it takes to start making it happen online. So listen, once again, guys, this is a wonderful opportunity. So go ahead, put the link down below, whether you're watching this on Facebook or whether you're watching this on YouTube, guys. And I hope to see you guys in the winner circle. I'll talk to you later. Peace.